Dawn from Let's Make the Best of the Day. How are you doing? Well, it's time to get back to business on this canvas covered art journal. And this is part 5 and the last part. I think this is part 5, the last part. Yeah. So here we go. This is ready to add our signatures to. So this is the signature block that we created. Nice and tight signatures ready to go in here. We are not gluing it to that. So please, I hope you haven't done that. If you did, I don't know. So just hopefully you haven't. But look at this. Won't this be fun? I just can't. The next time you see this, we will be playing in it. I'm so excited. This is great. I've probably been making a few of these. Anyway, so I'm ready now to bind this in our book, and you'll see how we're going to do that. So I created a front. This is going to go here, and this is going to go here, and that's what's going to hold it in. But before I do that, no, I'm just going to go ahead and do it. I was going to add some tape or something on here, but I'm not going to. I'm going to go ahead and just fold this in half. Sorry, you guys. I am kind of a frantic artist. Wait, what? I am a frantic crafter. Doesn't have to be a beautiful. I'm not going to, do this to that because I don't want it to be like that. And I'm not going. Okay, how we did it. The lady that I did this with, when I did this, we actually did both of these at the same time. And it didn't work out well. Let me show you what happened. This is the one I created at on my class. And look what happened here. Actually, that was not too bad. It's this side that's bad. See, it's kind of open. So I guess that's going to happen no matter what. But I'm hoping that I can make this one, look at, a little bit tighter than this one. So, yeah, it's not bad, but it's not great. So, we're going to do this side, and then we're going to close it like so. Then we're going to glue this, and then we're going to pull that over, and then we're going to do like that. Did that make any sense at all? Just watch. You'll see what I mean. But I am going to use this paper because of this. I don't want it to glue on there. So I'm going to go ahead and put this here. And I hope this works. So I just really do, because this is a really nice little journal. And I just want it, I want it to be perfect. I'm telling you guys, this is a lot of fun. It was a big project, wasn't it? Did you guys do this whole thing with me? It really was a really big project, I'm not going to lie. We worked hard on this journal, so I appreciate those of you that played with me, played along with me. I really do. I'm not sure what I can do about that. I'm just going to roll over it real quick, so. And again, this is Aleene's, and it's meant to get tacky, so I'm not in a big hurry to, I'm gonna put some on the other side. I'm not in a huge hurry to put these together. I mean, I've got a few minutes, in between time, so, yeah. So don't worry. If you're using Aleene's, let it set up and get tacky. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. That was a long way to say it, wasn't it? And on this side, do the same thing. Add some Aleene's. So let me grab a wax paper. I'm almost out. Better put that on my Dollar Tree list. Wax paper. It's a great place to get it. And we'll just stick those two things together. And you gotta let it dry overnight. So, but I think I can do all this today. I'm not sure, but I think I can. I think I can. Especially on the edges here. Guess who's doing art in the other room, you guys? My daughter. Isn't that fun? She's painting. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. Yeah, makes me feel good. Okay, So now the fun part. Let's put these puppies together and hope for the best, because you want to make sure that they're semi-perfect. Oh, that's hard for me. So we'll just go like so. And go like so. Looking. Perfect. Looks good. I love aliens because you can move it around. That looks pretty darn good to me. All right. Okay, now you can use your bone folder. Oh, love it. Okay. This is fine. That's just fine. Okay. And now, what I would say, guys, is once this is on here, and if you ever feel like this isn't enough to keep your signature in the book, you can reinforce it with tape or something. That's what I would do. Side. I'm definitely going to have to go get some more wax paper. I am so stinking excited to have this done. The edges are pretty important here. Now you see why we didn't have to paint the whole thing, right? Nice. Here we go. Now we'll go ahead and close this. And hope for the best, guys. Okay, you can't really do much. You have to just leave it. You can't open it. You have to leave it and just pray. I'm gonna look. I'm gonna peek. Looks pretty good, guys. Looks pretty good. Now the back. Now this back here. I'm just gonna pray, guys. And again, if it's not perfect, it's not perfect. But I think it's gonna be pretty perfect. All right, I'll be right back. I do need to go. I don't have enough here to see. Yeah, I have enough for like one little bit. So I will be right back with some more wax paper. Okay, I actually found some under my thingy. Okay, so let's get this going, shall we? Let's let it rip. How do we want to do this? That one there and that one there. Yeah, like that. All right, let's go ahead and give this a close. And we'll just, I think it's going to be just about right. Let's see. It's going to have to be. I'm sure it's not perfect, you guys. I'm sure it's not perfect. Hi guys, good morning. It's the next morning and I am so excited to see how this turned out. This is the big reveal. So you're seeing it with me for the first time. I'm so nervous because like what if it's not good? But I think it'll be fine. Alright, so this is a little sticky here, which is fine. I saw that glue. Oh my God, I think that's going to be fine. We'll just clean that glue up. That's not a big deal. Not a big deal at all. I mean, I wish I would have been a little less. Just look at that. It'll clean up really nicely here. Just scrape it off and it's fine. If I scrape the paper, that's okay because it'll just repaint over. I'm not too worried about it. Don't worry about all that later. What I'm really worried about right now is the adhesion of the paper to the book. To see if it bound well, so here. Oh my God. Okay, I'm just gonna take the other one off real quick here. Oh my gosh, oh my God. I can't wait to start playing in this. Oh wow. Can you guys see? Wait. Oh my gosh, you guys. And done. It is fantastic. Let me put these away. I usually store these underneath my desk cover here. So let me slide those under there really quick. Or not. Here. There. Let's not waste your time. Let me put this down. Oh my God, I'm so excited to flip through this. So all of the steps that it took to get to this beautiful art journal is below. I love it. Do you guys recognize this paper or this canvas? This was in, there's a piece of this in my Fatty Patty too. So yeah, these are canvas. So this is a hardcover book, guys. This is fantastic, if I don't say so myself. And it's look at, and it's good. Look at that. We did good. Oh, I'm so excited. I have to show Lauren this. So there's the first page. And now I'm just going to go through and I can art this baby up. Doesn't care. I don't matter if it's upside down or not. It's just, this is just fodder for the back. This tape is going to add wonderful texture. Oh my God, you guys, it's a success. And I added like circles, and I left these in here because I love that texture. And I added wallpaper and collage, and even some of this like really textured wallpaper stuff. I don't know what that is. And some watercolor paper, and some scrap paper, and some of my old jelly plates. So it's just, there's so much texture in here, it's not even funny. Lots and lots of jelly plate and ripped torn papers, music sheets. You know, I love this jelly print. This is probably one of my favorite prints that I've ever done. I don't think I'll be covering that up. So some more texture here. You can hear my daughter in the background doing the dishes, putting them out of the dishwasher, so apologies for that distraction. Okay, there's a little bit of a thing here, but I'm not too worried about it. And you can see this, the seams, but that's just fine. I'm not terribly worried about it. This is just going to be an art journal page book. So, oh, this is cool. Here comes Gracie. She wants to say hello. Here is some wallpaper. Can you say hi, Gracie? You want to say hi? You can. Oh, she said hello, everybody. She just had her medicine. There's this signatures, and then here's some sewn paper from Kate. Kate, thank you so much. Thank you guys so much. If you see some of your painting papers and stuff in here, I appreciate it. I appreciate it, and I put it to good work, to good use. Oh, there's my T for the top. Some more jelly prints here that I did. I didn't like those. Some calendar pages. So this just turned out fantastic. And I cut a little hole out of there. Hi, Gray. How you doing? How you doing, honey? Oh, sit down, Mama. You can stay here. You can do whatever you want, honey. This is your space. Love you. Love you, Gray Gray. Look at this. Isn't this fun, you guys? This will be a lot of fun to play in. So there's the back page. So I hope that you guys love this book as much as I do. I really enjoyed making it for you. And I am so excited to be done with this project. Yay! So thank you so much for joining me if you did, you guys. If you didn't, again, the steps are below to how to do it. So there's actually really only 4 steps, but I did the signatures, created the signature step twice. And you guys can, you know, you'll figure it out. It's not that hard. So anyway, so I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. I think I said that 10 times. And Gracie and I wish you a really good day. So have a good one. Okay, bye guys. Take care. See you soon.